French draws, more ITAs for others. Something strange is happening in Canada Express entry right now. Canada is running low on French-speaking candidates, and if this trend continues, it could change the chances for everybody else. Why? Stay with me. Canada doesn't invite everyone equally. They target categories. Here is where it gets interesting. In April 15, there was a draw with CRS score of 419 for French. In April 29, there was a draw with 400 scores for French category. So for these two draws, Canada invited the same number of candidates, 4,000 for each draw, but they needed a much lower scores to do it. You can see the difference, 19. That can only mean one thing. The French pool is getting thinner from the reports that we are getting. See, in 2026, Canada has a target to land 109,000 new immigrants this year. And as we speak, as of May 2026, they have not even met one quarter of it. Meanwhile, the French pool is getting thinner by the day. We are going somewhere. If Canada cannot find enough French-speaking candidates, those invitations may likely go somewhere else. CEC, PNP, trades, healthcare. Right now, Canada has a huge backlog of high-scoring CEC candidates, those with 500 plus CRS scores. And in the recent time, in the last 2-3 months, they've only extended 2,000 invitations, ITAs, to CEC candidates. So even though more invitations may come later, but the competition is very brutal right now. If Canada needs to increase invitations later this year, these categories could benefit. You know, out of 109,000 targets to land new immigrants in 2026, Canada has not even met one quarter of it, less than 25,000. So the numbers is what the bookmakers are predicting, that since the French pool is getting thinner by the day, we don't have enough candidates who are French-speaking potential immigrants to fill up the space that is left for them for the French-speaking immigrants. Remember, in the last video, we talked about French-speaking immigrants were given 9% targets to come to Canada this year. And as we speak now, those targets are not being met because we have very less number of French-speaking, potential French-speaking candidates in the express entry pool. It means that if Canada is going to increase invitations to make it up to 109,000 by the end of this year, these are categories that will most likely or could benefit from that increase. This is why understanding the system matters more than panicking over CRS scores. So according to the bookmakers and predictions, next big draws might be going to PNP, healthcare, trades. So what is the smart move, or what will be your smart move? Your smart move will be to improve language scores. So if you are in the express entry pool and your language is not CLB 7 and above, especially those English language tests, what you need to do right now is to go and find a way to improve your language scores. Target 8 and above. 8 in every bar across the 4 bands. Target 8 and above. Position yourself for category-based draws, based occupations, healthcare, trade, and stuff like that, and education. Also, watch the French draws as the trend goes, because in the next two draws, if it keeps going down, based on what we've seen, it has been going down. It moves from 419 to 400. If it's going down, meaning that they don't have enough candidates in the pool to fill up those ones, and they will start extending invitations to other aspects in order to meet the 2029 targets and gain Canadian experience. This is particularly for CEC candidates, those that are already in Canada and they are graduates, they are working. Package your reference letter and application very well. Your work experience matters here. Now it is 1 year, we understand, but you have to be in the pool for you to be selected or invited. If you're not in the pool, they cannot come to your house to do that. So these are the reports that we are getting from IRCC and CEC on the May 4th of May. And these are the chances of people who are outside French. I've been preaching of French as a cheat code, but now it's seeming like the French pool is thinning down, is dwindling. So other people are standing a chance now. Get ready, lace your shoe, and be in the pool. The people who succeed in this Canada immigration journey are not the people with the perfect profile. They are the people who understand where the system is going. So position yourself very well. Opportunity shifts fast. If your CRS score is low right now, don't assume your chances are over. Canada immigration system always changes every time. And the smart applicants will pay attention early enough. Tell me your CRS scores and profession, and I will let you know where I think the opportunities are shifting. It is still your boy, the KD Gist, bringing you updates, analysis, and immigration breakdowns. There are interviews coming your way very soon on how to migrate to the US, to the UK, and Australia. Stay tuned to this channel because you don't want to miss those opportunities or those interviews. And if you like what I do on this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment so that other people will get to see the good work, the information, and educative videos that I'm producing here. I will see you in my next one. Signing out.